Welcome to Colton RV and Marine, Toronto's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great SUV in our collection. A used. This is powered by automatic transmission and has KMML. Discover unbeatable deals on quality used cars. Perfectly maintained, with detailed service histories. Get exceptional value without compromising on comfort or style. Your dream car awaits at an unbeatable price. This used comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, heated windshield, air suspension, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control, sequential shift control, power tailgate, cooled seats, third row seating, bed liner, tonneau cover, seat position memory, video rear view mirror. To keep you entertained, this is equipped with touch screen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation, voice-activated climate control, rear seats ceiling entertainment unit, head-up display, smart device integration, third-row LCD displays. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, pedestrian automatic emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, adaptive headlights, crash imminent braking, CIB, backup camera, rear hitch/receiver, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily